A warm welcome to Rising Star Group of Schools, where young minds are nurtured, dreams are inspired, and futures are built with care. Rising Star Group of Schools is committed to excellence in education and to the holistic development of every child. With a strong presence across multiple locations, our campuses bring quality education closer to families and communities. Each campus is thoughtfully designed to provide a safe, inspiring, and student friendly learning environment. As you enter the school, you're welcomed into a spacious reception area, a comfortable waiting lobby, and well organized administrative offices. Together, they ensure a smooth and supportive experience for parents and visitors. Our modern classrooms encourage curiosity and confidence. Students learn in an interactive atmosphere, guided by experienced and knowledgeable teachers who make learning engaging, meaningful, and effective. Well equipped chemistry laboratories offer hands on learning, allowing students to explore scientific concepts. The physics laboratory strengthens analytical thinking, helping students understand real world principles through observation and experimentation. Advanced computer laboratories equip students with essential digital skills and prepare them for a technology driven future. Physical fitness and teamwork are promoted through fully equipped indoor sports facilities, supporting discipline, confidence, and overall well being. Our enriching library spaces provide a calm, resource rich environment that inspires reading, research, and independent learning. Beyond academics, students actively participate in a wide range of outdoor activities, including a well maintained children's playground, MCF training, dance, learning goes beyond the classroom walls. Educational visits, such as fire station tours, offer real life exposure and a practical understanding of the world around us. To prepare students for tomorrow, we introduce innovation through 3D and 2D printing, robotics, and AI based learning, encouraging creativity, curiosity, and problem solving skills. Interactive activities, including small animal displays, help students connect with nature and develop empathy, awareness, and responsibility. At Rising Star Group of Schools, we focus on the overall development of every child, academically, physically, emotionally, and socially, through diverse and enriching experiences.
I must say today's annual day function was really appreciable. It was the coordination, the arrangement, and all the energy that everybody has put into this. I must say, every hats off to everybody, because this is not just one day arrangement. They need trainings and everything to get this done. So I truly loved the entire gathering annual day collaboration that they have done. So I must say thank you to all. Thank you everybody for giving chance to each and every kid, and encouraging their uh, energies and all their skills.
Hi, I'm Yashi Patil and I am a proud student of Rising Star Group of School since 2022. Having served as a head girl of year 2024 and 25, I can truly say that even in this short period of time, my journey has been phenomenal. With state-of-art infrastructure and conducive environment, our school is well equipped with facilities that supports our holistic development. It is the place where we collaborate to bring out the best in each other. From various platforms here, from student leadership and assemblies to inter-school competition, our school gives us confidence to take up the challenges and shine. I'm thrilled to have represented our school in several of these, winning 7 gold medals in National Olympiad and attending the zonal level 2 and a silver medal in karate tournament. Over more than 10,000 students call Rising Star as their home, and so do I. This institution has embraced me with open arms and has given me the incredible opportunity to grow, learn, and become more confident and independent version of myself.
Reflect our commitment to quality education, student safety, and continuous growth. Rising Star Group of Schools, nurturing young minds, building bright futures. Thank you for being a part of our journey.